We're here at the Two Jacks Fast. We've been working on all kinds of stuff today. And we got some crazy stuff going on with that truck. Never know what's going to happen around here. So I'll walk y'all up in here. Get the autofocus going here. I'm putting some flammable liquids in it. You know there's going to be trouble when you got that crew working together. That's half a Dover right there. It's going pretty good. Man. What you got going on now? Well, I thought it was a beer in your hand. What you putting in there, Bubba?
It's same car fuel conditioner. I kind of lose the fuel.
Man, you got the crazy eyes going on.
Who, Bubba? That means he's ready to party.
He's ready to what?
He's ready to party.
I see you got the Bush lattes going.
Yeah, Bush lattes are out. Anything after 5 o'clock.
All right, what are we doing?
Yeah, I put more fuel in. I didn't line the whole one I put in there. I better grab that fuel. Fuel right there.
Let's see.
On
Put
the
some
black
speakers in this
wall.
thing. Can't wait to see that. Got the digital dash.
Oh.
All right, Bubba, man. Concentrating, bro.
Bubba, it might be better for you just to freehand it.
Yeah, not me.
Was you trying to put a little extra transmission lubage in it?
Go ahead, Bubba. Probably gonna want to overflow.
At least you're rinsing out the funnel.
Well, I cleaned it a little bit.
You should drink that, JD.
Have you tried
It
drinking
doesn't
it,
really
Bubba?
smell like much.
Nah?
You haven't ever had a little sip with your Coke Zero? JD, you are now flammable.
Yeah.
What's up? Alright, we firing up the Pro Mod, so truck. We're about to. We're about T-minus about 10 minutes from turning up. Alright, I'll put it on Snapchat. On a Snatchy chat.
Oh, come on, man. You actually waxing this thing?
Get the fuel all over.
All right, all hands on deck for the leaks.
Power.
Negative.
Power's on now.
Oh, we got a leak.
Waiting.
Crescent.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, looks like that way. Damn, Bubba, you put a whole fucking cord on the ground, didn't you?
I have.
There's still something loose?
No, he just
Transmission fluid.
likes throwing fluid on the
What are
ground.
we doing?
Powered up again.
We got power on, Bubba, let's get
You
it.
got ignition. You got to crank it now. He can do more
It's
outside.
apart.
I can work up here.
Full throttle, start.
Ignition's on. Wait. Before we turn over again, are you ready up there?
No ignition?
Yeah. No, don't just feel it over.
So ignition on.
Yeah. Right. Ignition's on.
Yeah, ignition was on. Your fuel shut off.
It's on.
Oh, and it's hot.
Yeah, we're on. right, great. The cold wire plugged in?
Yeah.
The plug wire itself?
Yeah, that's all plugged in.
He tried to get like they get fired.
Got fuel yet? Is the fuel on?
Yeah, fuel
The
pump's
fuel,
on.
the fuel bypass.
Get it. This whole thing.
I'm hearing something fucking hit.
It's just hold on, is the MSC plugged in to the main wire? With the box?
MST is plugged in. You got full juice. You're grounded. Your brake trigger wires ran into the.
Don't crank it until you got ignition on.
Don't crank.
Turn ignition on. Then I'll tell you crank it, right? Alright, crank it.
It's a lot quieter.
Yeah, it is.
Crank it. I want that old fuel, got to keep water in it.
That bitch was
Crank it.
No pumps on.
It's pumping. I guess I got it.
As you're touching it, turn it on and off. It's lost.
Let's hold it, crank it. Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a bad unit right there, brother.
What you got to say, Bubba?
That's a bad unit.
Can't breathe?
Yeah, I know.
What about you, Lou?
Son, bad.
Bubba, I got you on film. Put that thing up.
You like a pit bull and a pink thing hanging out.
Well, it looks like everything's good.
That's a ear piercer right there.
Yeah, my eardrums hurt. Your eardrums hurt, Bubba?
Oh, yeah. I'm all the way up.
Well, you look like you got the Sandman and got up in them eyes.
That's right here.